Africa's next chapter of growth is being written by nations ready to welcome investment, innovation, and partnerships. Among them, Tanzania and Zanzibar are rapidly emerging as strategic gateways for trade, manufacturing, logistics, tourism, the blue economy, and technology. Recognizing this immense potential, Equity Group convened a 4-day Trade and Investment Roadshow, bringing together global investors, business leaders, entrepreneurs, and public sector institutions to unlock opportunities where investment meets impact. More than 50 delegates from Africa, Europe, Canada, and Australia embarked on a journey designed not simply to explore markets, but to build partnerships, evaluate opportunities, and shape the future of regional trade. Throughout the mission, delegates engaged government agencies, toured industrial zones, and participated in focused buyer-supplier engagements that sparked active negotiations, early investment commitments, and a growing pipeline of joint ventures, public-private partnerships, and regional supply chain collaborations. The journey began in Dar es Salaam at the offices of the Tanzania Investment and Special Economic Zones Authority, where investors received a comprehensive briefing on Tanzania's investment framework, regulatory environment, and incentives across priority sectors. Government officials outlined a clear roadmap for doing business, providing confidence and clarity for international investors seeking long-term opportunities.
There's a lot of opportunities to invest in our country. The investment climate in our country is so conducive, and we are here to facilitate. TISEZA, we facilitate investment. No, it's not an regulatory authority, it is a facilitative authority. So we are here to make sure that your investment is successful.
As investors explored the opportunities ahead, Equity Bank Tanzania reaffirmed its role as more than a financial institution. Serving as a trusted connector between investors, government, and industry, the bank provides financial solutions, foreign exchange services, trade facilitation, and valuable market intelligence, helping transform investment ambitions into successful enterprises.
And we believe in ecosystem banking, where we support clients all the way from corporate level, public sector level, their distributors, suppliers who are SME players, all the way to individual level as retail and consumer banking. We have that muscle to support clients at every single magnitude that they will be expanding, we'll expand with them. We have also been able to provide key contacts.
The delegates got the opportunity to touring garment manufacturing facilities within the export processing zone, gaining first-hand insight into Tanzania's expanding industrial capacity. At the Bagamoyo Special Economic Zone, the delegates assessed infrastructure readiness, utilities, and industrial land designed to support export-oriented manufacturing, serving both regional and global markets. At the Dar es Salaam International Trade Fair grounds, the focus shifted from opportunity to enterprise. In partnership with TanTrade, a high-level business forum that brought together investors, manufacturers, exporters, and government leaders to foster commercial collaboration. The Director of Trade Development at the Ministry of Industry and Trade, Semfeho Manungi, reaffirmed Tanzania's commitment to private sector-led industrialization, emphasizing the importance of initiatives that translate investment interest into exports, employment, and economic growth.
The government of Tanzania, through the Ministry of Industry and Trade, continue to improve business environment, promote industrial growth, expand market opportunities, extract investment product sectors. Our focus is on building competitive economic driven by value addition, innovation, industrialization, and strong private sector participation in the economy.
Across the exhibition halls, products were evaluated by international buyers, while structured matchmaking sessions connected investors with suppliers, distributors, and strategic partners, laying the foundation for future commercial partnerships. The mission then crossed to Zanzibar. where investment conversations continued with the Zanzibar Investment Promotion Authority and key sector stakeholders. Welcoming the delegation, Alhaji Jecha, Director of Planning and Research at ZIPA, described the roadshow as an important platform that connects government, investors and businesses to stimulate trade and accelerate sustainable economic development.
Your presence here, it reflects the growing confidence that the international business community has in Zanzibar as an emerging destination of trade, investment, and strategic partnership. We firmly believe that sustainable investment is built on trust, transparency, collaboration, and a shared vision for development principles that today's engagement are designed to strengthen. Zanzibar offers tremendous opportunities, and we stand ready to work with you in transforming your investment ambitions into successful ventures.
The delegation visited the landmark Fumba Port project, a transformative infrastructure investment expected to reshape maritime trade in Zanzibar. Once complete, the port will handle up to 200,000 containers annually, featuring 2 berths with a combined length of 700 meters, while enabling the gradual relocation of port operations from Malindi to Fumba. The mission also toured the Fumba Development Project, a mixed-use urban investment supporting preparations for the 2027 Africa Cup of Nations, while contributing to Zanzibar's long-term urban expansion and economic transformation. Further engagements in Paje showcased modern apartment villas and residential development, attracting both local and international investors with strong market uptake and continued construction reflecting growing demand. Reflecting on the mission, Equity Group Director of Trade Relations AQ Hamza emphasized on the vital role trade missions play in stimulating economic growth, strengthening strategic business relationships, and facilitating cross-border trade across Africa.
These trade missions attract now businesses from parts of the world. They come here because they want to get an understanding of the local economic landscape. They want to see what the opportunities on the ground are like. They want to understand risk on the ground fairly, but also they want to understand rewards and assess them fairly. And we've managed to do that by facilitating introductions for international businesses and investors with local partners, taking them on field visits where they get to look and feel what the local opportunities are like, and then invest in the market. We invite businesses from the region, from the continent and the wider world to come on our trade missions. Only if you put your foot on the ground will you actually see the opportunity on the ground.
For Equity Group, the mission represents more than connecting businesses. It is about convening governments, investors, entrepreneurs, and financial solutions around a common purpose, aligning capital with opportunity while reducing the barriers that often limit cross-border investment.
It's actually very eye-opening in terms of the participant in the delegation and the information that you guys are giving us. We are also in the investment side looking for local partners and for investment opportunities.
It was my first experience like that, like a roadshow with Equity, but I'm highly impressed. I think that I will try to bring some CEOs and investors and owners for the next roadshow, and I'm sure that they will be shocked how professional you are, how kind, how honest you are, and how confident partner you can be in business.
Under its Africa Recovery and Resilience Plan, Equity Group has successfully delivered more than 25 trade missions across East Africa over the past 4 years. This Tanzania and Zanzibar edition further expanded a growing pipeline of public-private partnerships, joint ventures, commercial contracts, and early-stage investments spanning manufacturing, infrastructure, tourism, and regional trade. For Tanzania and Zanzibar, the mission marked another confident step towards attracting global capital under the Africa Continental Free Trade Area. And for investors, it offered something even more valuable. Not just opportunities to discover, but trusted partners, ready projects, and a shared vision for Africa's next era of sustainable growth.